Hello and welcome. This is Aya, and today's video I'm going to make two cards and I'm gonna use two different stamps. This is a layer stamp by Altenew and called Indoor Garden Stamp Set, and also I have the dies. What I really love about layering stamp, it gives you this beautiful painted look. And this stamp set, I don't know, it just touches my heart. These kind of plants and the pots, and I don't know, so cool and modern. So I don't know, I just love this stamp so much. And for amazing results, you should use your Misty tool. And if you don't have it, I don't know, I don't like to tell people what to buy or not to buy, but Misty tool is, a game changer, in the stamping world. So the first thing, I'm gonna start with the outline. So I chose a brown color. The ink, all the inks are from Altenew. Then next, I'm going to use the second layer. This is the Cactus. So I choose, a green color. Sorry, I'm saying green and brown because I don't, memorize that color's name. And and the third layer, I'm going to use, why I'm not able to talk? Okay, I'm going to use, a darker color. It's like bluey green something. And I will also, for this stamp, you have there's in the packaging, there's, the instruction how to use it and which stamp you start first and second, then third. So here I'm going to, the speed of the process and leave you with some music till we reach to the end after, I die cut all my images. So see you in a bit. So here, after I die cut all my images, and now it's time to arrange, my images to fit my card. So as you see, the images are really big. So for me, I really plan to use all the images, but A2 size will not be enough. So maybe, but I didn't think about that time, to make just a longer, card or this slim cards. So I just, turn up the card and I will use it to be in the vertical side. And I'm here trying to arrange my images and see how can I fit, more images as much as I can. So after, I decided where I'm gonna put my images, I start to use, to adhere my images, and I'm using square and circle foam, for extra dimension. Okay, so after arranging and adhering all my images, I'm going to distress the edges. Here I'm using, Altenew inks, or you can use distress inks. The color is Vintage Photo. Usually I like to use it, to distress, any card. So here is another stamp set, and it called Always There. I used it before in one of the video, and I'm going to link it in the end. But just I used the outline and I colored, watercolored it. But here I'm going to use, the layering stamps. I'm not going to film all the process because it really takes, a long time. But I'm going to show you, of course, the final card. Here is, the booklet that comes with the stamp, have some ideas, inspirations, even names of the inks, how to use it. It can help you, creating your card. Also, they also show you how to use the layering, which stamp you start with. So after I stamped my images and I die cut them, I have this, the coordinating dies. I start to arrange them before I adhere them. This time I choose a black cardstock, 80,000, to pop up all my cards. So after arranging them and I'm settled with this look, I'm going just to adhere them using a foam tape. Next, I'm going to stamp my sentiment. It is congratulations. And I'm going to heat emboss it, and I'm going to use 2 embossing powder. This is the first one by Wow, it's a glittery one, and the next one is a silver by Altenew, to have this shiny look. So yeah, this is my cards for today. I hope you like it and get inspired. Try these layering stamps, so much fun. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.